This is a Shark NV681 NV681UK-T from 2020. This belonged to one of my directors at work. She bought it to replace a DC-40 Mark II, which we refurbished and sold and probably did a video of. And now, 6-ish years later, the old Shark has been tossed aside because she said it's just not working very well. So, let's see what level of just not working very well we have and see if we can't perk it up and make this thing ready to sell once more. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaners and Shark chums. How are you today? Yep, the old classical Shark vacuum cleaner. Not a duo clean, but a lift away, I think, was this one's party piece, and it ran. You probably still buy it now in 2026, badged up as something else, but it will be the same vacuum. But a big knot in the cable, I think. Check number one of any Shark, which is its cable, because this cable grip is a sod and moulded to the cable, and you've got to rip it apart to fit a new cable and then keep that, which forms the cable grip. And yeah, it's properly battered and very, very twisted, but not damaged, and that is good enough. I mean, physically it's okay. For some strange reason, part of the hose retaining bracket has forced itself up over here. Whether that's something that, oh yeah, we can fix it with violence. So you just got to click on as if nothing happened, or you've broken in some terrible way. I think it's hey, there we go. So one thing is fixed. I mean, I don't know really. She didn't say it didn't run, so I guess before we go poking around too much, you should plug it in and see what happens. Fine. That seems okay. Do we have proper floor head action? Lights. Camera. Action. Right. It's been a while since I've used a duo clean. I don't think I've used one on this plug either. Well, I haven't used one of these. I've only used a duo clean. Right, it doesn't feel like it's doing much. It's screaming well, but yeah, it isn't doing too much. Oh, the tools fell off as well, and yet we have both of the tools, so it's already looking good. Physically it works, no need to worry about actually fixing anything. Let us do some measurements and then perhaps have a look at the filters. We'll start with the measurement that's probably going to stay the same before and after we give it a clean up. But just for sake of argument, no release valve. Well, a solid 60 with the release valve. Oh, that would be an 80. Yeah, that would be an 80. You can just see it flick up. But release valve 60, you have to keep an average somehow. This should be a little bit more in line, and something that should improve if there is any improvement to be had. Oh, 13.8. Before on me, call that. Yeah, lovely. Off with that. 13.8 miles an hour. Can we improve that? Well, let us start with, well, say the obvious. We'll start with the bin, which is grubby, but certainly seen a lot worse. That will probably wash up in about 5 seconds. Wipe all of that gunk off. Happy days. Yeah, this is, I mean, again, it's not the worst I've seen, but knowing how finicky Shark are with their filters, it's probably most of our issue. And then if we look under here, we have our post motor filter, which is again clean. There's quite a lot of sand that's gone through there that you can see, but otherwise not bad. Oh, that cleans a lot better. Literally is just needing some fresh filters. In fact, because we're about to clean it out, I might just leave that like that. No, we'll give it all a clean out. So yeah, I think most of its issue, it doesn't really have me. It was just grubby filters. Nice new set of filters is needed after 6 years, and well, nothing is broken on there, but there is a lot of hair. So I think I'm gonna give this a good wipe out. I'm not going to do the bin because I want to clean the rug before I do anything with it, so I'll do that mildly separately. And then we'll get the head cleaned up because there is improvements to be had. Right, little bit of a wipe down later, and I have a set of washed, not new, filters. So that can go in there, that can go in there. Gave the post motor filter and vacuum off. I shall wash this soon before the end of the video, but for now I'm going to want to use it again in a minute. So, hiya! What is wrong with the floor head? Well, it has been opened before because we have marks on the plastic, so well done. And yeah, this one, the base plate doesn't come off, it stays there. And the brush roll doesn't come out either. So we are going to have to get a knife, which I've just lost a blade for. Ah, there it is. Blade falls out of this knife, which is incredibly annoying because it's a lovely little handy knife for this. We can just cut through all of my boss's hair, which it will be. It won't be her husband's, one of our salespeople, because he has short hair. There we go. And then yeah, put all of this off, and I think underneath is a pretty decent condition brush roll. Let's check and confirm. I mean, all of the hair off the brush roll, the rest will probably come off when we use it in a minute. That will do. We'll click, 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 turn it over, give it a little spray, just a light mist, and then a good rub to get all of the dust off. Although it's blue tack on the bill. I'll probably give this another clean up off camera. This is purely so that we can pop that up, put this back on, and all we've really done is clean the filters, well, change the filters and wipe down some of the plastics. And this is shut because this is a common source. Oh yeah, I safely did the switch and you messing around with spray. Oh, right. Will it be better than 13.8? Wow! Holy moly! That is insane! That's like 5 miles an hour more! 5 miles an hour more airflow by literally changing the filters for a used washed set. Not even a new post motor filter. I reckon you gain a little bit more airflow. Oh, maybe we should. I think I might have some of those. Oh, okay. Well, unfortunately, it's doing a common Shark thing where this is just completely ruined. Ah dear, that's a bit of a bummer because that'll make the hose drag and not look quite as nice. But does it vacuum anymore? I mean, we're going to start by cleaning up this mess here. I'll kick these away because I will wash these and these will come up all right. Let's not put that back through the brush roll. Right. Oh yeah, that is sticking itself far more to the floor. Oh, this is quite nice. These ones are lovely to use. The single brush roll, especially when they're not worn, does work well. So carpet powders now. Post filter. And that has picked up, if I can make it open without spilling the dirt absolutely everywhere, a ton. All that fine dust, which wasn't what we picked up with the hair. That is immaculate. In fact, that may as well be empty because I've actually, has done a shark though, and a lot of the hairball has just gone straight into there. That is a problem. But yeah, this is going to get a wash now because it literally is the quickest way to get all of the gunk out of there and make all of the difference. And then we'll clean the paint off of it and come back and it looks a little bit shinier and finish off the video. A reasonably short time later, the bin is washed and scrubbed and all the paint marks are off. And all of a sudden, it looks quite nice. Not only don't look too close, you can see where all of the dirt gets hidden and you just can't get to. I mean, I guess if you soaked it for long enough, you could, but ain't nobody got time for that. Did message my boss and said, yeah, quite a simple fix, boss, if you just want it back for, you know, a little bit of money. And I can afford some food, but she hasn't messaged me back yet. So I shall remind her tomorrow, otherwise this can be sold. Now, where we used it, our filters did do a shark, so they were used anyway. I'm just going to throw those back through the wash because I found, and here's all dusty as well. This is the problem with sharks, they do need this maintenance. You can wash your filters again. I do feel that she would just rinse them out. Yeah, a little trickle of water, a little squeeze, dried out. No, you have to, little net bag, get the worst off by a bucket of hot water and then fling them through the washing machine in a little net bag. And then they'll come out well. That's what I'll do with that. And then I can use it in another machine, but this can go back onto there. I then did find, I mean, this one isn't awful, to be honest. If this was a clean up and refurb job for somebody else, I'd let it go again. But I have one last brand new filter. Remember, like, Shark. Does this even fit? They changed it. I was pondering if this was actually from this model. These are all left over from Shark Week, and yeah, the pre-filters are the same, but I don't think the post-filter is. You know what, we'll just forget we ever had that idea in the first place. It's all nice and clean, all nice and lovely. We made it gain literally 5 miles an hour of airflow just by cleaning the dang thing out. I'm still very impressed with that. I think this one is done, and I do like these. I do appreciate them, especially now that they are literally free. If you wanted one of these, you could pick it up for nothing. Do not pay a penny over a fibre for it. Mind that the brush roll isn't worn down to nothing. This one's quite nice, but I do think this is a late one. You'll want the NV680, which is literally the same machine. I'd imagine the motor's probably a bit different in them as they went up the range. But yeah, this era Shark is really quite nice. The hose is in good condition in this one, but can be an issue on some. Yeah, for free, they make excellent vacuums. Hopefully for either not a lot of money back to its owner or a bit more money to somebody else, this one could make a nice vacuum cleaner too. So, what do you think of these old Shark uprights? Crikey, are they classed as old now? I mean, this one's probably not because it's only from 2020, but the design most certainly is. And do you prefer this style to a duo cleaner? I don't know really, because I don't mind the nice duo clean, but I do feel that this style does groom a bit better and still cleans perfectly well. So there we go, another Shark saved from the trash. And until the next Shark that we save from the trash, but not this one, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.